So what are the new updates on Amazon KDP? Let's find out! Hiya, it's Reni here from Reni Creative. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back if you've been before. So in today's video, I will show you the new Amazon KDP updates related to low content and no content books, and I will also show you how it works in the real life. So actually I will show you how to upload them on Amazon KDP site. And there are other updates you might didn't know about, so if you would like to find out what are those, then actually stay tuned at the end, because I will reveal at the end of this video. So let's just jump into my computer and I will show you all the updates. So let's talk about the new Amazon KDP updates. So from now on, actually exactly from 17th of May, low content books are not required to have an ISBN and are not eligible for a free KDP ISBN. When you create a low content book, you can either use your own ISBN or publish without an ISBN. Actually, I've been talking about this one when I very first time I announced this new update 6 days ago in another video. Actually, you can check out. I just leave the card here, so you can check out first before this one if you would like to. And so this is one is not eligible for a free KDP ISBN, the low content books. And this very important thing, what type of barcode will appear on a low content book. If you use your own ISBN, you can upload a cover with or without a barcode. If you choose the option publish without an ISBN or decide not to provide your own barcode, we will automatically place one on your back cover. And it says actually is about the barcode. We'll place a barcode in a 2 by 1.2 white box in the lower right hand corner of your book's back cover. If you leave images or text on this part of the cover, the barcode will cover them during printing, which could result in your file being rejected. So don't include any text or objects in this area. So it needs to be pay attention on this one as well. And there is another one, it's very important, it's just here. Transparency codes are not available for low content books that are published without an ISBN. If you'd like to enable a transparency code for your low content book, you can buy your own ISBN from Bowker or through your local ISBN agency. Learn more about barcodes and transparency codes. So if you click on here, you can learn more about this one as well. And there is another one. What information can be updated after publishing a low content book? After publishing your book, certain features are logged. Learn more about the changes that can be made after publishing, so you can check out these ones as well. And another one, it's I think very important, actually these two as well. Changing your ISBN option. You cannot change your ISBN selection after you published your book. If you need to change your ISBN selection after publishing your book, you will need to unpublish your book from your KDP bookshelf and then republish it. See more about unpublishing a book. So again, you can check out. And this one is, I think, is a must. So it's very, very important. Differences between using your own ISBN and publishing without an ISBN. There are a few differences regarding supported features if you decide to use your own ISBN or publish your low content book without one, which we've included in the below table. So expanded distribution is not supported for low content books, regardless of the ISBN option you select. Learn more about the enrollment requirements, so you can check out again. Look inside. The look inside feature, actually it won't be available now. Currently not supported for low content books published without ISBN. If you'd like to activate this feature for your book, we recommend you to buy your own ISBN from Bowker or through your local ISBN agency. learn more about using your own ISBN. And because of this one, I haven't used A+ content just yet, but actually you can, because you know the look inside feature won't be available if you don't have an ISBN. That's why using A+ content can be really helpful for you. So actually the customers, the potential customers, can see what is inside your book. Transparency codes are not available for low content books that are published without an ISBN. If you'd like to enable a transparency code for your low content book, you can buy your own ISBN from Bowker or through your local ISBN agency. Learn more about barcodes and transparency codes, so you can learn more here as well. Actually, if you would like to check out this page, if you go to help section, and here if you go to, as you can see, actually here it shows create a book, and after you go to click on low content books, you can actually find all of the information, and it's really handy. So now I will show you what you need to do when your book is a low content book. One more thing before actually is I'm showing you, because in my previous video I already told you, but here before I show you how to do that, then it's important to know. Common examples include notebooks, planners, journals, and other similar works. This does not typically include activity puzzle books or coloring books. Generally do not feature repetitive content on each page. So now I already started, so I just show you. So I started to do, because I wanted to showcase to you how to do that. So once you go to the page and you want to upload your book, so what you're gonna do, you going as now always, so you go to create, and after you click on create, you go to paperback, so you go to paperback if you do the paperback, if not the hardcover. So we do paperback now, click on paperback, and after you actually here on this page, when you do as you always do, the book title, the subtitle, you do the author name, you do, if you have any contributors, you do your 1 second. Yes, the author name, you do the description, and after you done your description, actually you do the publishing rights. So I own the copyright, and after you do the keywords, so you want to fill in all of them, and you do the categories. You choose the categories. It depends on which category your book going to go. And so now this is the main part. Does your book classify as any of these types? Choose all that apply. So low content books, in the bracket journals, notebooks, and planners. And if you want to check out, it says what is a low content book. So actually you can see here again, minimal or no content on the interior pages. Pages are generally repetitive and designed to be filled in by the user. Low content books have different ISBN and distribution options. Check this box to see the correct options in setup. So you need to click the low content if it's a low content. If it's a coloring book or the activity books, then you don't need to click it, but if it's not, then you need to, otherwise it will be rejected. So it's very important, so you need to please pay attention on that. And the next one is adult content, so it's no, so save and continue, and you just from here actually you just go from the same way. A part of one more thing is very important to see. Okay, so here, you know, normally it was like you want to ask for a free, you want to assign or something, the free ISBN, but here it says publish without an ISBN. So now you choose that one, or you choose use my own ISBN. So I just choose publish without an ISBN. So this will be very important as well. And now publication date, actually today is 20th, and because mine is black and white interior, 6x9 no bleed matte. Actually is the thing is I just need to do upload paperback manuscript, and is not this one, so I just need to double check. Yes, so I just uploading my manuscript, and after I will upload my book cover, and after I just going through all the checks, and after it's done I just do my pricing, and after that is actually one more thing left, just the submission, and you just waiting for KDP to actually submit your book, and after it will be available. At the moment is actually it will say like 72 hours, but it was before for me like 4 or 5 days, but now is actually at the moment is about 7-8 days. So if they're not coming back to you as soon as, then actually won't be like upset or something, because my book was submitted and is live. Just I needed to wait a little bit longer. So I won't show you this one more. I will create another video about the uploading, but now I just wanted to show you the main thing, so you know what to choose when actually you upload with these new updates. Okay, so another thing actually, yes, so what I wanted to tell you, if you've been here so long, then actually you very well deserved because I promised if you stay at the end, then I will show you other updates which are really important. So one of them, let me just go here. Yes, so is one of them, might you already know, because might you already using as well, publishing a hardcover. So there is a section about the hardcover as well. So publishing hardcover to give your readers more choices, and I just went here to the hardcover, and it gives some ideas and informations about the hardcover. So as you can see, you can now create case laminate hardcover books along with paperbacks and ebooks. Explore the resources below to learn more and set up your hardcover book. And actually here at the contents you can see all of the information if you want to check out. I think it's really worth it to check out if you would like to grow and learn. It's important to stay up to date. So it's case laminate hardcover, differences between paperback and hardcover, and you can see the print options, supported languages, manuscript formatting, cover formatting, also distribution, printing costs, and the reporting as well, and also if you have any frequently asked question, you can find here as well. It was one. There is 2 more, so don't go anywhere, because as I go, the third one will be the most important, which actually it was recently announced as well. So the second one I would like to show you, might know about this, might know. This is very new. Reach more readers in Sweden and Poland. KDP paperback and hardcover books can now published on Amazon.se and Amazon.pl. If you have worldwide EU or UK distribution rights selected for titles in your KDP account, we will convert your primary marketplaces, list price, and make your print books available on Amazon.se and Amazon.pl over the next few weeks. Your banking information from Amazon.com will be used for royalty payments on sales from Amazon.pl and Amazon.se. You can also update your banking information and at any time. So actually here it says learn more about paperback and hardcover distribution rights. So you can find really good informations as well. Actually, I already can see when I uploaded my new journals, then I already saw the Sweden and the Poland, so the Amazon.se and the Amazon.pl sites when I went to the pricing. So the third one, are you ready for this? So now if you've been here and waited for this one, then well done. So ta-dam, drum rolls please. So this one, I'm not sure which one will be. Yeah, this one. So new features and changes in KDP reports as of May 17, 2022. So we are excited to announce improvements to the KDP reports beta. The orders report now includes historical data, and the royalties estimator tool now offers downloadable reports. With these new features, the KDP reports beta has the same features as the old KDP reports. As a result, as of May 24, 2022, the KDP reports beta will become the main reporting experience. Benefits with the new KDP reporting experience include mobile-friendly view, see KDP reports on your phone, royalties estimator estimating your upcoming Kindle Unlimited, earnings before the fund is released and approximate your total earnings in a single currency, new dashboard, check today's top earning books, estimated royalties, orders and KEMP reads, plus your top formats and marketplaces for the month. Improved reporting experience. Enjoy the same functionality with an improved user experience and look compared to our old reports. The old KDP reports will continue to be available for now, and we'll let you know before they removed soon. If you haven't used the new KDP reports, we encourage you to try them and provide feedback by clicking the Take a Survey link. Learn more about KDP reports. So if you would like to learn more about that one as well, actually you can just click on that and do the Take Survey as well. So if you would like to see like a new updates, I think is really good to know. So I just show you quickly. So if you would like to see new updates, what you want to do, you just go to the help section here, and it says, as you see, KDP Help Center Home and new and recent updates, and if you follow them, then actually you can stay up to date with all the details. So actually this one was, I know, is a little bit like more reading and explaining, but I just wanted to show you that what you know, the new updates, because I think is really important. So this is what I wanted to share with you now, and I just going back to the camera. I think these updates are so important, you don't want to miss them. And in this business, it's very important to stay up to date, to order, to grow. And if you like my video, then feel free to give me a thumbs up. It helps me out with the algorithm. And also, if you would like to see similar videos like this, then feel free to subscribe to my channel. It would be really appreciated. And also, if you are not sure how the low content and no content books look like in real life, then tap on the screen and check out my unboxing video where I actually show you and reviewing my low content and no content books, so you have an idea how to create them yourself too. And I can't wait to see you in a future video. See you. Bye.